welcome back to Art with Miss Choate. If you're new to my channel, what we do is we use simple things around the house and we make awesome art projects. So, if you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. Today, all we're gonna need is a penny, or any coin will do. But if you have a penny, that's best, or anything that's flat but circular so we can spin it like a top. And we're gonna be using a piece of paper. Now, the stiffer the paper, the better, so cardstock. But if you don't have that, if you have a piece of cardboard, we can decorate a piece of cardboard and that works as well. So let's go grab a penny, a piece of paper, and let's go make some art. So the first thing we're gonna do for our penny spinner is we're gonna make a circle. Now, if you saw back all the way a long time ago in my first video, March 16th, I showed a trick on how to draw a perfect circle. Now, you hold your pencil in your hand, you put your middle finger on the page, you use your thumb to pull up the pencil, and then you hold everything still, but you rotate your pencil. So I'm gonna rotate it. I'm getting this perfect circle. And this is how I'm holding it. So my thumb and my three fingers are holding it here. I'm holding it, bracing it on the pointer finger, but my middle finger is one on the page, and then I rotate my page around, so I got a really perfect circle. Now, if you try this and you can't get it, go ahead, trace a circle, anything will do. I would make the circle about maybe a little smaller than the size of your hand, but you can play with the size of your circle. And we're gonna be coloring this in. Now, I'm gonna do a color wheel, but you can do anything you want. You can use old art, you can make up a pattern. Think about it's gonna be spinning, and it's gonna look really cool when we're spinning. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna divide my space in half, and then half again. And then I'm gonna draw a line half of that, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna be marking my primary colors, which is blue, does anyone know what another primary color is? If you can say it before I pull it out of the box, that's gonna be awesome if anyone remembers. Another primary color, and this is a color that you can't make with any other colors, is yellow. So I'm gonna leave some space in between it. I think I'm gonna leave 2 spaces if I leave 2. So it's gonna be a little off, but that's okay. I'm gonna put yellow right here. I might make my blue box a little bit bigger, my blue piece of pie. I'm coloring it in really nicely, but I don't have to worry too much because I am going to be cutting it out. And what's my last primary color? Remember, it can't be made up of any other colors. It's red. So now I'm going to put it right here. I'm trying to evenly space them. It's okay if it doesn't come out perfect. I wish there was more space there, but that's okay. And what do you think is going to go in between the primary colors? You guessed it, we're going to put the red and the blue on top of there to make purple. Now, you could actually put the markers there, or you can go ahead and grab a purple from your box. And I'm going to overlap it just a little bit with the blue. You see it still looks purple? It's a little darker purple with the blue. And then yellow and blue make orange. Oh, my goodness, what am I saying? It doesn't make orange, it makes green. Where's that green? Here we go. And look, when I put the green on top of the yellow, still looks green. And like I said, if you mess up a little bit, that's okay, because we're going to be cutting it out. And then I already gave it away. Red and yellow makes orange. There we go. So now I'm ready to cut it out. And we're going to put a little slit in the center for our penny to go in. Now, if you don't have a penny, you can use any coin. If you don't have a coin, if you have a circle battery or something that's round and flat, anything that we can turn into the spinning top. So there we go. I have my disc cut out. I'm going to make carefully. I don't want to bend my paper too much, but I'm going to just make little snip. Now it needs to be wide enough for your penny to fit in, but not too wide because you don't want it to slip. And you see your penny fits right in. Now I used cardstock, so like a thicker paper. If you don't have a thick paper, you can use a thin paper and put a piece of cardboard, but I actually just took out the recycling, so I didn't have any cardboard left in the house. And look at me, I'm cleaning up my markers before I try spinning my top. Make sure you always clean up, and that way your workspace isn't a mess. And let's see if this works. Ready? Okay, not bad. Let's see if we can get it to go faster. Oh, there we go. I love how it looks when it's spinning, all those colors blending together. There we go, that's a good one. And remember what I said, you can even use an old piece of art. So we did this one on that first day of school. This was on the second day. This could make an interesting one. I think I'm gonna cut out a circle. Now I could trace the circle, or I could do that circle trick again. And I think I'm gonna put it right there. And I'm gonna trace this circle because I think it's a pretty good size. I'm gonna go ahead and cut that out and see how this one looks. Let's see how it looks. I like how that looks when the words spin. Very nice. I hope you had fun making your penny spinners or spinner tops with me today. I want to see how yours turned out, so maybe this would be a great thing to post on social media. I think it would be a really cool video. Let's see again how this turns out. There we go. That was not a bad spin. Maybe try one more time. There we go. That one's spun nice. So I want to see what yours look like. Remember, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, hit subscribe so you get notified every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday when a new video comes out. And remember, drop a comment below. Let me know if you enjoy this, what you'd like to see in the future, because I'm doing this for you guys. So please let me know what you'd like to see. Bye.